We were gone for a hot minute.
Cause
Me.
because of you.
We just never got around to posting.
Yeah, but then every time I mention it in school, you're like, no,
Because
Allie,
I don't feel like getting bullied.
We're not gonna get bullied. YouTube videos are freaking lit. Okay. So today
We are doing a little thing called Cooking with Tatym and
Allie.
And you guys are gonna love it. Alright, kitty girls, let's get started. We started a batch already, but we'll start another batch.
Do you want to see how our others turned out?
Oh my god, that's still burnt. Ah! I messed it up, Allie. Look at mine.
Oh my gosh.
I ruined it.
So these are Tatym's. Those are kind of, conjoined, but that's okay. And she messed that up. But they look fine. They're all connected. We also have a friend here. Her name's Brionna.
Alex, what are you guys doing?
We are fun people.
Hi
I'll give you a
guys.
shout out and everything.
Everyone, go follow my Nana Griffin YouTube channel.
No,
What did you do?
I burnt my finger. That's what I did. And now I'm gonna have to go to the hospital. It's a career-ending injury.
I think they look great.
Alright. I know how to.
Are they all? Tatym, they're burnt.
No, they're not! No, we can actually start the cooking part. Alright, baddies, let's get started.
Guys, we have two different angles
This
of
is
cameras.
camera angle number 1.
AKA
and then-
iPhone.
We'll switch to camera angle number 2. Do you think we could get demonetized for making balls?
I can't get my squeeze.
I think I can win. I think I can win. I don't think mine will morph together. Allie, you know if yours morph, you lose, right?
Well, they're not gonna. Here we go. Putting my cookies in the oven. Oh.
Ah! And now we wait. They're all done?
They're triplets.
See?
Surprise!
So, I won.
No.
So, it looks like I won. Like we said,
I guess.
I'm the better cooker. That's the end of the video.
We hope you guys enjoyed.
See you baddies next time we decide to
Film,
upload.
which is Monday.
Yes,
And we are actually going to continue filming for a while now, so
we've got you.
stay tuned.
Bye, girlies.
Bye.